Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man.
Boy, all they beating up the police, boy. Boy, move from here. Look at the man, boy. Look at the man, boy. Look at the man. Boy, look at that walker. Ah, boy, kill that. Kill that dick, boy. Boy, kill this, boy. Look at the man, boy. Look at the man. Boy, move from here. Look at the man. But I'm a cousin, boy. I don't care, boy. Move from here. Look at the man, too. Look at the man, say. Boy, I'll come here, boy. I'll come here, boy. Look at the man, boy. Look at the man, boy. Boy, move from here. Boy, look at the man, boy. Like shit! Like shit, boy! Shit, boy! We don't be right. We don't be right, boy. We want to right, boy. Oh, look at it, look at my cousin for nothing, boy. I'm more bigger than them, boy. But nothing, boy. I don't watch them, boy. I don't wicked, boy. Let me go. Why look at the man, boy? Why look at the man now? Why look at the man? Why look at the man, boy? Why you got just man, boy? You pick a man car, boy. You don't even look at nobody, boy. People can't even pick up, boy. People can't even arrest, boy. They arrest nobody, boy. Don't want him, boy. Why look at my clothes, boy? Hey, why look at my clothes? Hey, all right, just the man for nothing, boy. Why look at the man, boy? For what? For what? For what? Yes. Hey. Why we letting all of us know what you should do this, boy? It doesn't make no sense. They can't get all of us on this. It doesn't make no sense. But you give a rap, boy. Thank you, boy.
Look at my clothes, I got normal. We don't have to go up here. Oh, no, so. We go suck on with you, boy.
Oh, now you're so my big man, boy. Forget that scene, my big man, boy. Oh, let's forget that scene, boy.
You can't arrest people of the language when it is there was wrong protection, man. Manu. For what kind of man? Thank you. Right. All your officers just be wrong and strong. He is wrong, miss.
Oh, big man, you know all that we, boy, big man, but you know all that we.
He is wrong. No, I was waiting there. What's wrong? Let me come in. No.
What? Boy, why? Hey. Who coming? Oh, you're out here to protect we. Oh, you're out here to protect we, boy. Oh, you're out here to protect we. Oh, you're out here to protect we, boy. Oh, you're out here to advantage people, boy. I promise you I'll share something. Boy, you're supposed to be protecting me, boy. But I'll tell you, boy. Nothing.
Don't quick, boy.
Batu man reach. Yes, boss. Step back. Oh, let's tape everything. Oh, let's step back. Where
when serious thing happening, people that they bleeding out, all they don't do
Hey,
nothing.
we trying to help all over this thing. Don't trouble, don't hard, don't spoil it. Boy, behave yourself, boy, behave yourself. You're spoiling yourself. Yeah. Boy, you're spoiling yourself. Go down, boy.
Boy, you don't care about that boy.
No, regardless of what, you have to humble yourself. You go let me them rush you want.
Boy, don't have to treat him, man.
Hey, you get locked up, boy. Yeah.
So them fella they try for you to shoot.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Yeah.
Everybody sees you go down your skin direct, go down and then you fight. Regardless of what you're going down, people, you know the make all last season, making things
By no reason, man, you make us buy. By no reason, man. This guy, you don't arrest, man, you don't arrest people, man. Where is it because it's buy? But you don't hear, it's nothing, man, officer, man. You arrest him and go, man. You don't arrest, man, you don't go, man.
He didn't say that.
Before that,
I never even asked him. The man like uniform with the talking.
Then we have to use necessary force. This is necessary force. He doing that to himself. He doing that to himself.
I'm not going to talk.
That was all he had was to do, man. Instead of all that rough up. That is all he had was to do instead of all that rough up.
Believe it or not, them police officer is somewhat of a good police officer, you know, or just directly a good police officer. Because if it was some police officers with what this man here do and I resist the arrest, you know what I mean, them would have want to beat him up, and you and me know that. You see it. All right. Anyways, look, more of a point out to the people them say that's. From you know you're clean and you know you not do nothing wrong, don't bother try to fight the law certain way. You see me I say, because guess what? I mean, me not say that if you fight the law, if you're a bad man, you know. No, me not encourage that. The point is what I try to say is for you're clean, you don't have nothing to worry about. Yeah. Simply, you see. Now, some of the times when you're clean, you might give away your rights because they are struggling and resist the arrest. Then when you take a stop, when they find out you do clean, you could end up charged for harassing the officer or assaulting the officer, I should say, and resisting arrest and all these things. You see? So the best thing you do, just play upon the safe side. Can't wrong with that, isn't it? So this, where I look on, all I take place in a Tobago. You know, like Trinidad and Tobago? Yeah. Is what I say, you don't know all the things set already. I have to just bring it to as I see it. Is what I say, yeah, when I see police officer grab the youth and fling him at ground, I see next police officer catch him. When I see the police officer catch him from his face, not lick the ground, yeah, I just say, yo, them police officer, yeah, them not bad, they're not too bad at all. You see it? You see it? Alright, anyways, enough of that. If you don't like what I present to you, and if you're new to my channel, just please click the subscribe button to stay up to date to the Dancehall Skilla. You see all the things set already, see me? Leave a comment, let me know what you think. And as always, I don't know the things set already, you know. And my name is Skilla, And this way you see, a Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see? Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.